be doing my nails. You could do your nails on your bed, on top of the table, on top of a book. I'm just doing my nails on a flat surface. You don't need anything too fancy. Just work with what you have. If you do not have nail adhesive tape, you can also use nail glue. The nail polish remover is optional. This is just if you make mistakes with your nail polish. So this step is very optional. You could just take your clear nail polish and just paint over your false nails. What's up, everybody? I made it to the end of this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed this beautiful try it yourself nail hack. This is a nail hack that I've been doing for years, and I just decided to share it with you all, so you're welcome. And yes, I realized I only did 5 of my nails. I did 5 of my nails for the sake of this video, if you do not want your nails this extremely long, you can actually take your scissors and just cut them down to your size. You can use nail glue instead of nail tape. Nail glue lasts a lot longer. You can also use regular nail polish instead of the nail polish strips. What else can I say? These are reusable nails, which means you could reuse them forever. You could pop them on or pop them off, and you could put them back on. What else can I say? Oh, when you are washing the dishes, use gloves, because if you don't use gloves, the nail tape will start to lift, and this style only lasts for 5 days. So if you want it to last a lot longer, as I mentioned, just use nail glue. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. Feel free to recreate this look. If you choose to recreate this look, let me know in the comments below, or you can tag me in my videos. Again, you're welcome. I'll see you all in my next Try It Yourself project, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.